Hello and welcome to Dinosaur Juice. Yes, we are back in a 1974 MG. As you can see on this t-shirt. Yes, I have t-shirts. I said that exciting things were going to happen, and one of them being merch. And here is the merch. And I'm happy with it. And I said that I wanted to be happy with it. So here's the link, in the description, in the comment section. And if I'm good at YouTube, it should appear on your screen now. And if it doesn't, you can see that I'm very inexperienced. So yeah, lovely. I really like these t-shirts. So there's this t-shirt with all of the cars on. There is a MG Midget t-shirt. There is a Westfield t-shirt. There is a Smart Roadster t-shirt, although the image is different. That's an 8-bit image from when you start up the car, what comes up on the computer. Then there is my new car, and if you click the link, even if you don't want a t-shirt, if you click the link, you will be able to see what my new car is. It tells you in, well, detail, at least the model name and the manufacturer, what my new car is, so you can find out there before you can find out on this channel, because videos are taking a little while because that car needs a little bit of work doing before I'm happy to get it into a video. So yeah, this is the only way that you can support my channel in terms of money. Obviously supporting the channel by sharing videos, liking the videos and subscribing to the channel is more important, but I wanted to offer you a chance to get t-shirts, show that you like the channel and things like that. If you like your car, MG Midget, whatever, chance to get a t-shirt, nice t-shirt, and you also get to support me for a reasonable price actually, so I think it's quite a good deal. Yeah, so I've got merch. There will be more t-shirts if these sell well. And yeah, if you're really happy with the t-shirt that you've got, take a picture of yourself in the t-shirt and comment on my Facebook page or something with the picture of the t-shirt. It'd be really nice to see. I'll have to check that you can comment with pictures, but I believe that you can. Yeah, that would be really nice to see. The one thing I will say is, so the t-shirts are done through Teespring, and the colours advertised on Teespring's websites are slightly different to the colour you get in reality. So bear that in mind, that it might not be the exact colour that you're expecting. But they're really nicely made, and I'm really quite glad that they've come out nicely. So yeah, I believe Teespring do worldwide. Which is one of the reasons that I wanted to go with them. So yeah, if you're in America or in Australia or wherever, I believe that you can still get these t-shirts, which will be good. Yeah, so if you want to support the channel or just have an awesome t-shirt, because they are awesome, please have a look. They do vary quite a bit, the different t-shirts, so check out all 5 that we've got at the moment in the link. And yeah, thank you very much. I'm really glad that I've got to this point in channel that it's just a really nice position to be. If you like the designs, they're done by a friend of mine, Nathan Rutland, and link to his website and YouTube channel and anything else that he gives me is in the description of this video. So you can head over and have a look at those. Obviously I did put design input in. I didn't just go, oi, you design things. So things like the wording and the type of font done on certain ones, and that sounds silly, but there's one, well, this car, my new car, very important how the font was done. And I put design input into how we wanted the Smart Roadsters t-shirt done, and little things about the different colours and stuff. Like I added this crease in the Westfield because the Westfield has a crease, otherwise it would just look like a Caterham, and a Westfield's not a Caterham, it's a Westfield. So yeah, it was a collaborative effort, but they did most of the actual design arty-farty bit. So yeah, link to their websites and whatever he sends me. Yeah. So please like, share, subscribe, buy a t-shirt if you can, and I'll see you in the next one. There will be another video out today, don't worry, I'm not being full sellout. There is another video that's not about making money. Yeah, making money and also selling awesome t-shirts. But yeah, see you in the next one. Ta-ra!